Carnival so amazing? Well, you have to realize that this style of Carnival started in Trinidad. This came from slavery days. This came from blood, sweat, and tears. This year is 100 years of the stage. So, with all that history, it comes from a different place. It's not just partying and fitting. It's all about, it's a spiritual release as well too. So, you can feel it. You can feel it when you're in Trinidad. Alright, now, so my first time Trinidad Carnival. What should I expect for the road march? What can I look forward to? You have to realize that there's so much and so many ways to experience the road. You have to go out there and find your lane, play your mass, because you can choose to do it any way you want to do it. It's not one way. It's what suits you. Okay. So which, as a first time Trinidadian Carnival goer, what band would you recommend? You're not going to go into that? No, because it's a whole kind of band. It's who you're playing with. It's who you were playing with. If you're playing with your friends alone, it don't matter. It don't matter. Listen, all the big bands and the tribes and the only difference, which is good. But some people don't like that. Some people like a smaller thing. Some people like a medium band. Some people like to sit on the side of the road and watch it thing. You know, so just Carnival is about being you. It's not about what band you're playing. It's not about all of that. It's about finding your joy within your wildness. Alright, so tell me, what was the inspiration behind your hit, Savannah Grass? Because I love the song. I love the song, and I'm actually in awe of how you're able to consistently produce these soca hits. How did it come about? Savannah Grass really was our first vibe that just developed into something, but it's a dedication to our culture, Trinidadian culture. Yes. The Savannah is a green space in Port of Spain, and in that space, you know, the city uses it for recreation, but most of all, the house and the culture. And my father was a big fan. He passed away just before the season. Okay. And this Savannah represents the culture and the vibe of the whole Carnival. So I dedicated this song to him. And that's how it. Okay, wow. So now, what would you say is something that I definitely have to try while I'm in Trinidad? First, you gotta eat food. You gotta eat food. You gotta eat doubles. You gotta eat... Somebody tell me that if I try doubles, I might have diarrhea. I haven't tried it yet, but I hear that I might have diarrhea. You can get diarrhea, chicken too. Yo, doubles is a vegetarian. It's a good tasting thing. Everybody's make doubles for fun. So we gotta try. Alright, so before I let you continue to party while we're here at Brian Lara's Fete, what do you feel about the love that the Jamaican women have for you? Because I don't normally know. I'm there at Moscow and I see when they come there, the ladies will literally leave them on and come to the front of the stage. I think I need to have a home in Jamaica. You hear that? Yes, since that his home is in Jamaica. Alright, big up.